Hi guys, Ankita here from TrackWick, and in this video I will tell you about some basic settings of mobile apps so that the TrackWick can run properly in your mobile. So let's start the video. This is my mobile screen, and now let's go to the settings of the mobile. Search for the settings, and here I will search for the apps. This is my app section. Go to that, and now go to the apps management. Here is the app management. Go to that, and now search for the TrackWick app. Click on that, and here we will allow some permissions. This is the permission section. Click on that, and our first permission is the location permission. Click on that, and you will have to give access to the location permissions for the TrackWick. Click on the allow all the time boolean. This is the allow all the time. Click on that, and our next permission is the camera permission. You also have to give access for that. Click on the allow only while using the app. Now our next permission is the storage permission. Here click on the allow access to the media only, and now go to back, and here we have allowed the three permissions: the camera permission, location permission, and the storage permission. Now our next permission is the battery usage permission. Here you have to allow for all the background activities, and this is the background activity button. You have to switch on this button. Like my background activity is already allowed. If this button is switched off, then please switch on this button. Click on the allow, and yes, here we have done the battery usage permissions. Now go to back, and the next permission is the battery saver mode. For that we have to go to the battery section, and here is the battery section. Go to that and click on the advanced settings, and here is the high performance mode. This button should be on. Like if this button is off, then please switch on this button. Okay, and our next permission is the power saving mode. This is the power saving mode. The power saving mode should also be off. This button should be off. So these are some basic settings that I have told you about the TrackWick app. If you are able to do it by your own, then it's pretty good. But if you have any doubts and if you are stuck in between, then please contact to our support team members. They will surely help you. Thank you so much.